How's it going, guys? I'm going to do a quick review of my trades that I took on Friday. No trades on SPY, and I'll show you exactly why. Woke up a little late, saw this 5-minute setup, and you can see here this isn't my type of data trade. Something like this, when it's just a slow climb up all day, not my favorite. Data's getting killed. So once I noticed that, the first thing I searched for were some bullish 5-minute setups elsewhere, because I knew if I can get a bullish 5-minute setup, I can get a breakout that can actually move some cons. So the first trade, I don't remember the order of the trades actually. The one trade that I took was BA, and this was a perfect bull flag right going into resistance. So one thing I'll always be looking for is if we're near support, I'm going to look for a bearish setup to break through that support. And if I'm looking at near resistance, I'm going to look for a bullish setup going into that resistance. Sorry, I might have said bullish. Bearish setup near support, bullish setup near resistance. So we had a rounding bottom on the 5-minute, turned into a perfect bull flag, and I was able to enter some calls on, I think, around 11 a.m. Rode this, and we rejected perfectly at this next resistance point at 170. So we got about a dollar gain right there. So that was the first play. Upstart was the next play. This one I'm actually still holding some, but this was a tweezer bottom on the 5-minute. We were holding this 50 EMA right here, and the other thing was this daily setup. So this daily setup's right in the 50 EMA cloud, which is one of my favorite setups. So we can get that big squeeze inside day. But I took this on the 5-minute and held this one pretty much throughout the rest of the day. Sold some on the way up, but we were holding this support at 33.25, and then from there we just launched. So we had Upstart, we had BA. One that I broke even on was AMC. This is a very annoying trade. I'm not really sure what went wrong here. It happens. This was a wedge setup that I was playing. We were riding this 50 EMA. It was looking great. And then we had this pretty bearish candle right here, shooting star candle. And that's when I pretty much, all right, I'm just going to take 10%. The cons moved like crazy because in the contracts themselves, they're wedging, which is something I'm going to try to look for more is setups inside contracts. So we got I think it was 11%. I sold my first chunk on, and then I sold the second chunk for minus 7%. So we pretty much broke even on this trade. It was just one of those things that happens. The market was going up, 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 and AMC decided to tank out of nowhere. So it's all right. Small cap wise, the only really swing that really paid was DNMR. This was a bull flag on the daily that I was playing. I was able to add some of this bottom trend line, or at least near it. It really exploded on Friday, and probably has got some more room to go, at least to 5.85. We get 5.85 back. We got a little bit more. Besides that, it was a pretty simple day. APLD is one of my favorite swings right now, right at that 50 EMA. We got a nice wedge on the hourly and the 30-minute. Holding a couple of other swings for OTC. I got some NICH. This nice little double bottom setup that I'm looking at coming out of demand on the weekly. Good bullish candle. But besides that, I'll probably do a video tomorrow going over all the different setups I'm going to be looking at for this week. I hope you guys had a great trader week last week. Thank you.